So we got the bird, dirty as hell right now. And this is the spot that I was told about. I don't know if you can see the marks from here. I mean, there's a couple right here, but that lot over there is just littered. And I guess supposedly you're allowed to come here and do whatever you want. So we're gonna come do whatever we want. Got my cameras all ready to go. It seemed like it was getting a little warm here and there, and I know the coolant was low last time, so I'm gonna throw some coolant in it, set up some cameras, and then go from there. I don't think I'm gonna do too much right here. I really like up there though. There's like a big 90-degree corner that there's a lot of room to actually come in with some speed, so we should get some good videos here. good, because these tires do not have a lot of life left. They're getting a little thin there, and we still got to get back to America. Mexico's a little bit of a drive, and she wasn't trailered this time, so hope you guys enjoyed the little bit of footage we got. This is a badass spot. I think we will be back to this spot. Got a couple of notches in there. But overall, actually, not as bad as I thought it was. This one's even better. But yeah, I mean, for the most part, Pontiac's doing pretty good. That was a pretty good spot. I got a few other places I think I want to go, and then I'm trying to hook something up with a small YouTuber out in Ohio that I want to go visit. I don't know if it's... Last we spoke, it was kind of like we were planning on about a month, and that month is kind of running out, so I'm not sure if we are going to be postponing it or if it's going to be, I don't know, sometime soon. I'm not really sure, but sometime soon. I think the car's still going to Ohio. We're going to throw it on the trailer, and the old 6.5 is going to do the 15-hour pull. But that's all for this video, so make sure you like and subscribe and share the video, and we'll see you in the next one.